Welcome to the tutorial for MeChat Universe. Before we get started, please take a look at this quick video announcing the 2027 school year.
It's time to plan to win. MeChat Universe is an online business school that understands the challenges investors face when evaluating potential investments. That's why MeChat Universe is launching a new business plan competition for investors. The competition will create more advanced analytics and real-time data that will help investors better predict which business plans will likely return the best investment. Our global business plan competition is not just another event. It's a collaboration of multiple venture firms, angel investors, and an AI-driven game changer for the global startup ecosystem. Register your investment firm as a new sponsor, organization, or team to have your startups compete against thousands of data-driven business plans around the world. Sign up a team now in MeChat Universe, and we can create custom data about the health and progress of each business plan you have competing. Plus, imagine your team sharing 10% of a global jackpot because one of your business plans clinched victory in our competition. Don't let your startups miss out on this incredible opportunity for their business plans to receive the business intelligence and additional development to make remarkable returns. With over 1,000 business plans and money already pledged to the annual jackpot, this will be the largest business plan competition for business plans to increase exposure, popularity, and prize money for their ideas and the entire team. Reserve your spot now to lead, plan, or invest in the next wave of data-driven business ideas. Only in MeChat Universe. See you on the other side of a winning business plan. Plan to win.
Welcome back. The business plan tournament discussed in the video is for users who want to make business planning a career. Our latest professional business plan templates are gamified to better predict business and to monetize your ideas. Our gamified business plan templates are used by over 1,000 solopreneurs, business owners, investors, business coaches, and other business professionals as a professional way to manage their business plans. Once a year, the universe hosts a championship tournament for the best ideas. With one gamified template, you get access to a host of business plan tournaments, tools to better predict business, and a new way to monetize your ideas for generations to come. Hello everyone, MeChat Universe is for business owners, business coaches, and educators who want to write a business plan. Maybe you want to get funding, or you want to clearly explain your ideas, or you need business partners, or have multiple clients you have to manage. With all of those problems, a MeChat Universe business plan is an important part of your solution. So what are we going to learn today? Well, first, if you are here to learn how to trade business plans for profit, unfortunately that is explained in another video. Today I want to show you how to use MeChat Universe to write and manage your business plans on your own.
So, you want to invest in MeChat Universe. Well, first ask yourself if you will benefit from what MeChat Universe has to offer. Before making your investment, ask yourself, are you an expired entrepreneur or are you a struggling business owner? Have you put your savings on the line and need real solutions on what to do next for your business, but don't want to give up half of your company to get the help you need? Then round one of MeChat Universe crowdfunding opportunity is for you, as MeChat Universe will be designed to help you discover the answers and show you the solutions so that you can better decide on what to do next for your business. In addition to business coaching and tools, investing in a plot of land in MeChat Universe gives you ownership in a billion-dollar financial literacy game with financial courses to help any player start a business and chart their own path towards financial success. We can guarantee this because as you get rich, MeChat Universe earns its stars. Even if you don't want to start your own business, as an investor, you need to understand what it takes to make, move, and successfully flip your money. And there's no better way to learn how to manage your money and financial resources than with a one-by-one plot of land that offers everything you need to go from freelancer to icon until you recoup your investment and become a millionaire living a life of purpose. Be one of the first to own a plot before prices rise, and then flip the plot for a profit when we launch the game.
As you can see, MeChat Universe is more than writing business plans. However, it all begins with a business plan. From one template you can embark on a transformative journey in MeChat Universe, where crafting a business plan transcends conventional boundaries, unlocking career opportunities beyond the scope of entrepreneurship. MeChat Universe is a data-driven business school designed for dream chasers by dream catchers. MeChat Universe is not just a school, it's your whole entrepreneurial journey wrapped up in one business plan template. Immerse yourself in 30 business plan chapters designed to elevate your business plan to unparalleled heights as your peers cheer you on in an exhilarating live stream championship tournament. And it all started with you writing a business plan in MeChat Universe. So, what is MeChat Universe? MeChat Universe is a privately funded school for entrepreneurs. Students learn using a self-guided business plan template. Users select their templates prior to the start of the school season based on an annual goal they want to achieve within the given school year. School participation is not required to write a business plan or to use the business plan template. However, those thinking about getting drafted into the school year needs to start developing their plan now. Career mode is not easy, but is a fun upgrade to trade business plans for a living. As for writing a business plan, the template is designed to help the user set boundaries for success and live a more conscious, intentional, and intuitive life. When you signed up for MeChat Universe, you wanted to write a business plan, but what you will leave here with is new skills to generate income like a businessman and a new opportunity to create the reality you want. Are you ready for a transformation? Because I am. So let's see how we get started. Let's go inside MeChat Universe.